Yo, what's good everybody, and welcome along to another 10-minute drop challenge. I say the same shit every intro. Could you imagine what it would be like if I didn't have an intro and just went straight into it? Yo, let's do this. Timer starts in 3, 2, 1. Just of it is, I've never made Future House before, made Electro House, made Electro Trash, made Bass House, made House before. Should be interesting, should be fun and groovy. Those are my two aims for this track. Let's make a banger. Fuck, that should be Antidote's slogan. Let's make a banger. No. Alright, we're starting in 3, 2, 1. Go! VST, Serum. Analog. Is there another one like that? Yep, okay, we're gonna FM that. Everybody's favorite ting. To another ting. Funky. Sustain down. So it's got a bit of movement, you know? We're gonna wobbify that. Yeah, boy. Mix. Just my standard settings. OTT. Alright, let's create this chord progression that is gonna be absolutely wonderful. 4 bars? Yeah. Oh, we need some help. Scale. Yeah, boy. It's been used before. Cool. What we might actually do is group that, add another instance. Let's get an instrument rack. Piano. Bright solo. Load really quickly. Come on, we've got 10 minutes. Alright, and on that... chords. Yes! Okay, onto the grand. Can we do pitch? I feel like that's too low. And another, just in case it tries to defer away from the original scale. Is that even a sentence? Oh yeah. OTT that shit together. Oh, that sounds rubbish. That sounds good. No, kind of. That, please tell me you got that. Oh, that's kind of it. Alright, we'll edit that and then we'll fucking have a party. Cause that saved me some time. Even though it captured my shitty playing. Oh god. Oh god. Damn it, who would do... Oh. I don't know anymore. Bow, 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 bow. Bow. Is it there? Oh my god, so much time wasted. Bow, bow, bow. Oh my god, we're running out of time. We're so running out of time. I'm just gonna have to finish this off and then... Fuck it, that's good enough. 5 minutes to go. Holy shit. All right, medallion, kick. I don't think we've got any that go to like D sharp because it's such a low ass note. Fuck it, we'll do that. Oh, get those little clicky artifacts from OTT. Not ideal. Okay, so we got 4 to the floor. Then we want clapped on the second and... Yeah, that's good. Clap on the second and fourth, I believe. Yeah, love that timing. And we need some serious sidechain going on after a open hi-hat. Is it open hi-hat or closed hi-hat? We're gonna go with closed. Yeah, that tempo was way too slow. And it sounds trash at the moment, but sidechain will glue everything together. Sidechain brings people together. I think I've said that in a tutorial before. Honestly does. Oh, did I? Oh, my bad. Meant to be from kick. There we go. All right, now we need another lead doing that same thing with that 3 minutes. Oh yeah, easy-ish. Kind of same principle, a little bit of FM, never hurt. A little bit of low pass wub as well. Should we add FM from that? Even a Future House lead? It's about to be. They add those really strong clicky transients, which I... No, it's not working. Oh no. Side chain. All right, glues together. Change the notes because it's just doing the same thing. It's just like maybe bring it up a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It needs swing, of course. Oh, I just spat at my computer screen. That was disgusting. Swing on that. Group these together. Swing on that. Vocal. So many other layers I want to add in 1.5 minutes. Oh, that's funky. Okay. Resistance, get some vocal chops, reverb the shit out of them, sidechain the shit out of them, and then hopefully A-okay. In a minute and 10 seconds. Sick. Okay. We gotta remember it's swingy. Oh yeah, where's the echo? Because echo is bonkers. Okay. Can we make it less stereo? Oh fuck, 30 seconds, oh fuck. Oh my god, I reverbed the wrong channel. no, wrong one. Oh, okay, I got time. I think it was this one. Turn it down just a little bit and... God damn it. I wanted to add one more effect to the vocal chops. It just, there wasn't enough time. Here's basically what went down. 5 minutes to create that like little chord progression thing. And I got to the point where I was like, this is sounding trash. Needs so much more. And then I basically did like the drums, the top layer, the vocal chop, the other lead, which was like a 7th up. And it started to sound better. So I was like, yay, it's coming together now. And then 1 minute to go, I was just like, so many ideas. And we didn't get there in time, sadly. That's pretty groovy. That's funky. All right. You know what time it is. It's time for 5 minutes of tweaks, and then I'll get back to you guys, and we'll ozone listen, and then wrap up the video. Yeah, let's do that.
A few moments later.
All right, we're back, and after 5 minutes of tweaks, what I did was Bonzo on the dials, obviously. A little bit more punch and glue to the drums overall. They're in a group, by the way. And then a little bit of EQ right at the end, because there was a little bit too much low end thump for the kick drum. And then after that, I grouped the bass and the lead together, add some saturation, a little bit of a mid EQ scoop around the mids, obviously some more punch and glue, and then another sidechain on top of that because I had some compression there and had some saturation there, so it was just going to destroy the sidechain a little bit, so I had to add another extra one in. One more thing is I actually edited the notes for the lead just a little bit as well. So they weren't doing exactly what the bass line was doing, just up 7 notes. Kind of gives it a little bit more melody and uniqueness rather than just doing exactly what the bass is doing. I reckon it sounds pretty fresh. All right, it's time for the final listen, and here we go. 3, 2, no, it's kind of EDM festival countdown. This far away from EDM festival countdown. 3, 2, 1, yeah. All right, let's hear it. So in conclusion, if you want to do some future house, basically my top tips would be FM, just a little bit, not too much, not like dubstep FM. This is just like a subtle hint of FM. Swung notes, holy shit, that was important. Once we changed this from like normal to swing, the whole track just got groovy and bouncy. And you definitely want sidechain, and maybe glue everything together with like a glue compressor as well. All right, thanks for sticking around and watching. Next week we'll be back on the Flume track from scratch series. It'll be the breakdown build-up episode and possibly the verse as well, just see how things go. And then the next Flume installment and the next one and the next one. And yeah, I just really wanted to try Future House today, so I thought, you know what, we're gonna do that. Yeah, fun times. Anyway, if you did enjoy, be sure to leave a big thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day and peace.